like she just threw her food on there. Look at this. Perfection.
Sugar Shack season is back! One of my favorite times of the year, and if you don't know it yet, it's one of Quebec's most quintessential cultural experience. Why, you may ask? Why? Because it's a time of the year where the maple trees finally release their golden juice, and then of course we need to celebrate that, so businesses around the city all create these incredible feasts packed with lots of maple syrup where everybody gathers, family gathers, have a great time, and yeah! I guess we'll turn this vlog into kind of a practical one. We'll cover 4 tips in order to survive a Sugar Shack experience. That's Allison with all her camera equipment. Yes, and already burning sugar. That's fancy. The joys of nature, sharing. You know, it's just a circle of life. Whatever comes through comes out. And we're here.
Come on in, we get a drink.
Yo, this place is packed.
Someone who wants to see some Come with me, guys.
Thank you so much. Daddy. This tip, make sure to bring a friend, because there's no way you're gonna be able to eat all of the food by yourself unless you're in a food eating competition, and even then I'm pretty sure you would lose. So bring a friend. Today's friend is Allison. You've probably seen her work around before. Her photos have been shown in the New York Times, Eaters, pretty much every website of restaurant in Montreal has her pictures up. She's quite a boss lady, and I'm here to be the head model, which is kind of my favorite job, because all I do is...
These are spirit fingers.
And then eat. Oh, I haven't done my manicure. Gonna need it. So food photography tip 1, water in all the cups.
Hydrate. Hydrate.
Oh, sorry. Holy, you are thirsty.
Hydrate.
She's on duty. I'm on eating duty. Oh, yum.
Okay, you want some?
Yes, please.
I think you're missing carrots.
Thank you, friend. That bread looks so fluffy. Oh, homemade. Homemade. Yum. Wow. It smells fantastic.
Tastes even better.
The bread is insane. I guess I should also include in this tip that you shouldn't load up on carbs, but it's so tough to not because it's delicious. It's like a cloud, right?
It's really fluffy, yeah. Light.
It's light and fluffy. Loving it. Coffee for 1. Oh my. Yes. You want to pace yourself, because the main highlight of a Sugar Shack is obviously the food. Now, the thing that nobody tells you is that the best things come last. So you want to keep some belly space in order to indulge on the fabulous things at the end, especially the desserts.
Pancakes. So many pancakes. I'm still hydrating.
Wow.
Okay. Let's not be piggies now.
This is my favorite at every sugar shack. Which shack do you want?
The best one.
I'll give you the bigger one.
The smaller one.
No, you get the bigger one.
Fuck my life. I know.
Garçon, il en...
This stains, you have to be careful.
Wait. We're gonna do an Instagram vote. Which makes mine, which makes hands. Oh god.
Thank you, Allison, for shaming me to the internets.
That's my right. Sorry.
Yep, definitely not up to the standards. Oh, we forgot the maple syrup. Yo, yo. There we go. The moment of truth. How is their tourtière? I like eating with my hands. I mean, you know, I have absolute no shame. The crust is perfect. It's crisp. The meat is well seasoned with a little hint of maple syrup. Yum! Salut! Santé! The time has come for the desserts. Yes! Wow. That thing is dripping. It's amazing. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna eat an entire piece like that. I'm trying to be health conscious, so I'm getting like a quarter of a piece.
Me too.
I know it looks very sad, but like at this point I can't eat anymore. So you want to keep some belly space in order to indulge on the fabulous things at the end, especially the dessert. Oh! It's pure maple butter almost. And it's so everywhere. Like I have it around my thumb, on my teeth. Oh!
Hair up tight with my teeth.
It's good. Not sure I can stick to this tiny piece though. I might have to eat the rest. Joke's on me, no little piece. You know, we can't waste, right? That was a bit too much food for me to do that. But yeah, if you come to a sugar shack, make sure that you have some appropriate boot gear because it is spring, and in Quebec, spring means slush. Yum yum. Mud juice. Mud juice. Yum. No. Show. Whoa. That's just pure magic. So if you look at the tree, it looks like what? Like spit. Ew.
See it?
Oh. Did you spit in it?
No, but I bet a squirrel did.
Ew.
He's just up there going and playing basketball. That's gross. I don't think that's how you get on it. I'm pretty sure that's how you get on it.
D'accord, tu sais? Ouais, ça c'est la cloche. Un char manuel, t'as déjà chauffé ça?
No.
Ah, ok.
Bye, Anne.
Bye.
Kind of scary.
Just try not to get hypothermia. I don't know. Come and do the sauna dance with me. Sauna dance. It's hot and warm in here. So, a bit of context. This is how you make maple syrup. There's a very big tank of golden water that is just waiting and needs to be evaporated, and then we'll leave at the bottom that wonderfulness that you put in everything at a meal in a sugar shack. Oh.
Okay, as soon as anything that's over boiling, when the fat touches it, it goes down, so it doesn't overboil in my pan.
Hi Simon.
Hi,
Who are you?
I'm the guy that makes the maple syrup.
It's a heck of a great maple syrup you have here.
Thank you very much. I enjoy it.
Great. We're like in this tiny corner and we are sweating our lives. This is actually good for fat burning. 19. Oh, it's going up? Man, we're sweating our lives here, just waiting for that 219.5.
Yeah, but it's gotta roll it over.
We're 0.4 away. It's coming. Oh, it's boiling. Look at that.
It breaks. You see it breaking?
It's amazing.
Look at it break there, like glass. That's
like
maple
the-
syrup. It's ready.
Is that the test? Is that how you know?
That's how I used to do it. By the drop.
There you go.
Mission accomplished. The maple syrup is ready. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I am sweating. I need to go change my clothes.
Yeah, I can smell it.
You're good.
When it starts going down the back there and you feel, ooh, it's a hard show on this sea, man.
What a wonderful day. This just gets better and better. So the last tip for an optimal sugar shack experience is have a designated driver. That's me. Because for sure, you're gonna be food comatose. For real. But you are as well, so.
No, I'm
Oh.
okay. I mean, I have my fight to go, so.
Yeah. Thanks so much for coming along this journey. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. Which food was your favorite, or which activity was the most thrilling and exciting for you to follow along? Alright, so that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also maybe subscribe to this channel if you're new. And on this, we'll see you next time. What else did you buy? Ooh. That almost looks like a pocket alcohol thing. Yeah. Which pocket does it go into? Perfect.
Maybe if I didn't have like...
Oh, perfect.
Actually, glad you said that because I needed my hands.